We're here today with this That Sports TV's man of the match. Not an unfamiliar face, Zayne Pinnock. Congratulations. Please walk us through your game today.
Well, we start off the way we should. It was a good game.
Alright, so you guys would have been, coming here into the second round with blood in your guys' eyes after competing in the first round and performing the best, then making easy work of Tivoli High School. What was your guys' expectations coming into today's game?
Well, Tivoli game never easy. I see it was a rough one, but go back to the training ground and bounce back on it and come and mash up Tivoli today.
Alright, so you started the game, right? Creating opportunities. But you got your first assist to Sean Layton. Speak to us about that play, because it was an amazing play. You ran down the wing, you got a good pass into him. Speak to us about that play.
Well, first it is a good pass to me, but the reason why I really dribbled down the line is because the defender was talking a bit too much. It was a penalty, but I'd fight through and still make a pass.
Alright, and your goal, you were on the end of a beautiful through pass and you managed to take it. What was going through your mind as you made your first touch on the goal that you scored?
To chip the keeper, to shift the keeper a lot. I swear.
A lot was going through your mind, but what made you make the decision that you made ultimately?
Well, the safer one.
Alright, so Charles Smith, out of the way. This might have been deemed as your guys' easiest game of this zone. You have St. George's College and Kingston College to face in the upcoming fixtures. How do you think Mona will fare against the more renowned schools?
No fear against none.
Alright, you heard it here. Man of the match, Zayne Pinnock, people. Thanks for talking to us.
Thanks.